Decide for me the language I have to use. Luganda? Do you understand Luganda, all of you? How many understand Luganda here? I'm very lucky. I've been shaking, asking myself, how can I speak English in this congregation? First and foremost, this day will be historical. To invite one of the biggest women in Uganda, and now she's international. She has just won an award, United Nations. And she's an example to many. Hey, am I speaking right English? So I'm very happy to see her today, plus my colleague, my brother Baram, twinetalo nyingi ne tuli ba Luganda. Ate ojja kusomera empisa zikyuka. Era kyesoose okuyiga ku university. Empisa kintu kikulu. Bana abayizi mube n'empisa. You have to be civilized. Bw'osanga omuntu gw'otokkaanya naye tokiraga mu public, olina okubanga okikweka ku mutima. Tulina wano ebyobufuzi ebyekyana ekito, tibalamu waba w'NRM, nina omulaga obukyayi. Si bwe kiri. We have to, English. We have to be civilized, please. I'm very lucky to be a student of MUBS. It was my dream. And the reason why I'm here, we were competing with Bebe Cool. We made kachogere mu Luganda kino bakitegeere. Twali just starting amulundi gumwe makerere. Nagenda ku machiwa entry nga manyi sina biwandiiko. Naye Bebe Cool ngenda kulaga konti nasoma. I told him that I'm going to show you that I'm a learned friend. After reaching Makerere, I submitted my papers. You know, Makerere is the best university. There is some things I'm speaking these days that an admission letter for Makerere University is better than degree for other institutions. And people, they are misquoting me. The fact is, getting an admission is Makerere's tug of war. I hope you are with me what I'm telling you now. It's a tug of war. This university is very systematically arranged. We have just done our course work recently. Omukazi yantunuulira kanjogere muga, if I see you copying, you go out. Imagine, I've spent 15 years in Sina Chemani. And let me take this opportunity to thank all the lecturers of this institution. They are so professional. At the moment, I can balance the balance sheet. I know bank reconciliation. Actually, I'm thanking MUBS lecturers. Because I got 9 in accounts. That's S4 and the A-level. Namanyi the accounts biroto but mamanyi nyo kusinga ne balam. You can test me. He vomited, you know. And then since that time we became friends. By the way, she's very powerful. Police yatuyamba. She's a very powerful woman. Even in the moment, but you have never been my boss. But even my boss is only one who's 7 years Kagota. Like honorable. But I was giving you money. Someone who gives you money is the boss. According to business law study here. That one is also a lie. I hired these musicians. And you know he's always Kayungi, what I'm talking about. He's a middleman. So because I had hired those musicians, you know, that time we used to have, which group did you come with? By then it was David Olutalo, Chameleon. Yes, those people. So he came as a middleman. So a middleman, I have paid for the musicians. Are you the one who gave me the money to pay? Okay, remember it was a light moment. Okay. I wanted you to know, you also have to know where we come from as human beings. True. Omwengo bisera baguyita mandre. Mandre ani yajuulirako. Omulwako kintu kimu Bajjo. Getting focused. I'm focused now. That's why I'm here. Knowing which party to support. Me, I'm people power. Man, you got honorable. No, people power is not a party. It's a movement. Knowing, you know, you can project some of these things. You just need to know
you just need to know how, where, now that you have got this degree, I request that you get more focused and know which button to press. The future will be the limit.
Amen. Thank you, Right Honorable. Mbadde mbagamba abayizi mwenna abali wano. Lwaki njogera namwe abayizi? But forgive me for today only. I've just spent here, haven't been fluent enough to present English. So, Honorable Minister, I'm doing an exam. So, my fellow students, that's why to be focused. Let us love our cause. I'm an example of this course, and I will market it everywhere.